Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play harmonium in guitar step by step. Start by mapping harmonium keys to guitar frets, identifying root notes and octave equivalents across the neck for clear orientation. Practice a simple scale, then add matching triads and drone notes to recreate harmonium textures on one or two strings. Focus on timing and sustain so chords ring like a bell, and repeat short phrases slowly until you build clean, confident coordination. Learn basic harmonium to guitar mapping by finding the root, fifth, and octave across the fretboard. Then use those positions as anchors. Practice common harmonium ragas or scales slowly, and translate their melody shapes into guitar fingerings that preserve phrasing. Use light palm muting and sustained bends to mimic harmonium sustain, and record short loops to layer drone and melody while refining tone and timing. Practice daily in short sessions to build muscle memory. Combine harmonium drones with guitar chords by holding open strings or using sustain pedals while fretting matching harmony. Choose chord voicings that allow a continuous bass or drone note, and practice transitioning between shapes without losing the sustained tone. Work on dynamics, starting soft and adding pressure for emphasis, and isolate tricky passages slowly before playing full phrases to ensure clean harmonium-like accompaniment on your guitar. Record practice to track progress and tweak your approach.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.